Ndugu wananchi wapendwa, officially Ajiry hapo katika mgao wetu wa uongozi. Makofi tafadhali kwa gavana wetu akiwa pamoja na naibu wa gavana pamoja na mawaziri. Baada ya kona wapi kona Nancy ya wapi? Delphi, Lucy, Emma, fanya nanga. Luza wapi? Bernard, Kori, enda kama Bernard yuko Kori.
Your Excellency, kwanza nataka kushukuru kwa serikali yako imekumbuka vijana vile ulikuwa umeahidi katika kampeni yako. Kwanza kabisa katika ofisi yangu tukisaidiana na waziri na chief officer tuko na youth council. Youth council imesaidia sana hasa kwa mambo ya organize to execute youth activities across the Kisii County.
Lakini ningependa kushukuru gavana kwa ile kazi nzuri ambayo anafanya kuhakikisha kwamba vijana wetu wamepata matumaini ya kuishi katika nchi yetu, kwa sababu vijana wengi wamepotelea kule nje sababu ya vinywaji mbalimbali, madawa ya kulevya. Lakini natumai kuanzia sasa hivi hayo mambo yatakuwa yamepita na wakati, sivyo? Kwa sababu tutakuwa na shule ya kufanya.
As His Excellency promised in this campaign that he will be working with the youth, he has engaged on that, and as a youth and as one of the top bearers of the youth of Kisii County, I want to appreciate that part. The Ajiry team, we appreciate you for this program and ask that you develop it to other sub-counties in the days to come.
Because I think you understand those issues we have in the Constitution, where they say that youth is not developed, and yet you find that every time, if you ask the youth, who would you like to meet? Is it the governor or the national government? Wanakuambia tunaanza na governor kwanza before forward. So that at least we address those issues, so that when it comes to budgeting, you find even when it goes to the assembly, you don't have a lot of issues that this is not a developed issue.
It dispels efficiency and productivity gains and makes our lives more convenient. It poses many challenges such as digital divides and unequal employment effects, and we have seen them, Your Excellency.
Mwaka jana on the 20th of November, saa 3:32, Your Excellency. It's actually my wife who told me to text you. And I texted your governor at night, at 9:32. Hiyo wakati anafaa kuwa na watch news. And I told him, Your Excellency, we are running a program called Ajiry, and these are the details, and we are looking to partner with your county. His Excellency did not respond to that message. What he did, he called me, and it became immediately. Unaona vile kuna gavana mzuri sana. Nilipiga simu immediately na akaniambia, Brian, nimepata message yako nieleze. Na nikamweleza. The next moment while I was in Nairobi, akanipigia simu, akaniambia, Brian, kuja hapa Serena ninunulie wewe lunch, tukiongea ile maneno. And that just shows you how much the governor loves the youth of this county.
Are you happy? Are you happy? You may not know. This program, it could be in another county and not even near here, because I don't want to mention where I made sure I pulled my brother Brian to bring it from. A program where mwanyo omonto ogosoma on cyber security and successfully you come out of it. Chibesora alchinke 250,000. You will earn more than even an MCA. You will earn more than even some chief officers here. Bakimo bemogoka Do we have a studio now? All the musicians, the studio which is here is for free. You are not going to pay. I promised the studio for our musicians, the artists, it's here now. I did promise that when I get into the office, I'll start issuance of bursary. Again, our children, next week I know all of them, they'll have received bursaries in their schools, that we will have medicine in our health facilities. Indeed, I know there is a challenge, but we'll overcome it. But there are drugs in those facilities. I promise that I'll put in place a team which will go around, again the GDU, to inspect every project that is done. Next week I know we are going to start the constructions of roads in all 45 wards. I pleaded this morning, I had a meeting with the hospital team or the healthy team because of our own one facility in Nduru where criminals sponsored went and attacked doctors. And the demands from the union of doctors, all health workers, was that until those people, they are arrested. I want to confirm that the police, so far, they completed the file and it has been given to ODPP. I had a lengthy discussion with them and they are meeting this afternoon with the county commissioner for assurance of security to our health workers in that facility and all other facilities that are pleaded with them to call back their staffs to go back to Nduru. They start treating our people from, and our people, I want to mention, is not only in South Mogrango. There are people from Rongo, there are people from Bomachoge here, all. Even you will go there yourself, you're going to visit, you will be treated in those hospitals.